Eye color is one of the things that someone will notice when you meet. There are many people who are interested in trying to change their eye color. Hypnosis can change your eye color. During hypnosis, the right side of the brain, the part that is in control of artistic thoughts, becomes alert. This allows your mind to have better control over your body, so it's easier to convince it to shift the color of your eyes. It will work only for natural eye colors like brown, green, or blue. The result will depend on your concentration level. Under hypnosis, onlookers may witness a slight change in color. Visualizing while hearing subliminal audio can change your eye color.